Courtney.
That's one of the YouTube videos that started it all. A hair care line born out of Courtney Adeleye's desire to grow her hair. She'd post videos on YouTube sharing her journey and the products she was mixing up in her kitchen.
I have my different concoctions, and I mix one which I call the ultimate deep conditioner. So I actually took that recipe and I took it to YouTube, and I went out there and I said, oh my gosh, you guys, I think I've like hit the jackpot with this one. Like, you really have to try it.
But her viewers didn't want to make their own products. They wanted to buy it from her. So while maintaining her job as a nurse and with $500 to spare, she got to work.
I took over the kitchen, and then I took over the dining room, and then I took over the living room. You're going to have to double up, triple up, quadruple up if this is something you really want to do. I have kids, I work. When I came home, I dedicated any extra time that I had to my brand. And once I started selling it, the sales actually told me when I can go to the next level.
After a year and a half, the Main Choice took off. Her products are in more than 20,000 stores across the country, and Main Choice was featured as one of the best beauty products by O Magazine. And after 5 years, she hit $50 million in sales. For that, she credits her authenticity.
The more you infuse yourself into your brand, the less that they can copy it. You know, so I think sometimes we look at other companies and other brands and we say, hey, I want to do that. I want to mimic it just like that. But that's not the way to go. When you're already entering an oversaturated industry, you have to bring in innovation and you have to infuse yourself into it, because that's the only way, that's the only thing that they cannot copy, and that's you. The dreamers are the ones who actually change the world. So you have to go after your dreams. You have to trust your gut, trust your instinct, and literally not listen to anyone, any naysayers, because there's going to be people out there who can't see your vision.